No, you can tap it on the floor. Yeah, like that.
Oh, mach langsam.
Be careful. Then there.
Das, oh
You
ja.
just feel it, then
Warte,
there's
warte,
a
warte,
soup
warte.
inside.
Du musst jetzt die Suppe
Ja, ja.
probieren.
Das musst du schon noch aufnehmen.
Ja.
There you go.
You need to see.
Okay. Okay.
How was it?
Namit.
Ja?
Always namit.
It tastes like
Good.
flesh right?
It tastes like
Fermented. Yeah.
Ja.
Fermented egg.
So how do I eat it now?
Can
Mach
you eat it
langsam.
whole if you want?
Willst du mit ein bisschen Salz drauf?
Ja, kannst du machen.
Ja.
You can eat it whole or you can
Amo na
eat
yung
the
tabo
yolk
yan.
first or the duck.
Sabi mo nga ako nga
I
mga
think it's too big to chew.
It's not.
Nee,
It's
das
going
ist...
to melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to
The
melt
duck.
in your mouth.
You don't eat the duck.
Also the duck you can
Melt
put
in
in
your
your
mouth.
mouth. You can
Ah,
So also-
mga ano.
yeah.
Completely.
Yeah,
No,
it's
it's
Warte,
not.
warte.
You need to eat the duck first.
Nee.
Was sagst du denn?
Ja, du kannst erstmal die Saft. Warte,
Yeah.
nicht. Erstmal der Saft.
You can taste a little pale or something.
Warte.
So that you put some salt
Ist alles gut.
to balance the flavor.
Yung tao niya ng duck.
Und?
Lecker.
Did you
Bis
eat
jetzt
the
noch.
duck?
And you eat the yolk.
So this.
The one you can pull that.
Ist der Saft alles raus?
Or you can bite it.
Ja, ich glaube.
Wala pa? Ah, wala pa.
Yung ilaga.
Have you seen the
Yung
biggie?
ilaga.
I'm nervous because everybody's looking at me.
Ja, das ist normal. Wir wollen deine
You
Reaktion.
need to eat the mouse.
You need to eat the mouse.
So,
Gago.
but it's not coming out.
Ja, hier ist
The
die...
white one you can. That's the big. That's what I'm going.
Okay, jetzt ganz in den Mund.
Namit. Namit niya.
Then you eat the chick. The white one you don't want to eat that one. It's very brittle. It's very hard. Yeah, that's a chick.
So only that,
The yellow
Yeah.
that thing, not that
Yeah.
thing. Okay.
Ja, weil der Weiße ist so hach.
Man dako ulit gamay lang.
Kamay lang na saya ka, syempre 13 days. 13 days lang. Gusto
Pinoy,
bisschen...
Pinoy mo.
Yeah, I just want to start it with the little one.
Wait, then. Very delicious na.
Wait, did you eat the duck?
It's Namit.
Hey.
Namit, namit.
Did you eat the duck?
No, one
Is it duck or?
It's a duck.
Did you eat? It's poisonous. Man, joke.
I love ducks.
Gago. Sag es. Sag es, Gago.
Gago Simo.
Gagago, gago.
Gago.
Gago si mo. Gago si mo.
So I can't eat this stuff.
If it's too soft for you to eat, you can manage to eat that one. It's a protein.
Ang pangay ko tong frame mo wala ng
Pwede
bed.
po. Parang nga, wala pa lang.
Ang free ba na?
Ang mga panahon ng mga animal nila, oh. Pala nila.
Bala ka dama, no pa na.
Hardened tofu.
Sa akong bala nga
Right?
po.
Saan po?
Eh, dito
Ah,
lagi
mo ka
na.
mahak.
It's very rich in protein actually.
Matag mo sa akong kawatan. Ako pinalagin na. 12 pesos.
Ikaw.
Ja?
Matag siya.
Ah, Ilonggo ka na ga. Diyos ko, gago Ilonggo ka na ga.
Congratulations.
Certified Ilonggo. Ah, nagkaon balot. Ay, ah. Certified
Another one.
Ilonggo. Another one. Wie schmeckt das denn? Gut, ist nix,
Wie
ne?
Ei.
Ja.
Ganz normal, wie ein Ei.
Mhm.
It just tastes like a normal egg.
Yeah. It's salted.
Mhm.
And other people, they tell that it's pale or something. They were so overwhelmed.
So,
with the
Challenge
duck inside.
accepted. Sehr gut. Du hast gut gemacht. You are certified now, Ilonggo. Ja.
Damo na kam.
Gut, sehr gut.